The world is cautiously coming out of a difficult year, and today I feel hopeful for our collective recovery. Many of you have had to speed up your digital transformation journeys as more and more people needed to work remotely. COVID changed the way we work, in addition to the way we live. With projects becoming more complex and involving more stakeholders, you need tools that help you be more efficient and productive. That's why we created the AEC Collection. This year's release of the collection is about maximizing your productivity so you can focus your time on what matters most, delivering outcomes for your clients. Let's take a look at the top improvements. With the backdrop of the pandemic and many more employees working remotely, the need for cloud collaboration has become even more critical. That's why we added Autodesk Docs to the AEC Collection, enabling every member of a project team to align from day one, reducing errors and rework and accelerating reviews and approvals. Almost every project requires site design, and moving dirt can be incredibly expensive and time-consuming. Grading optimization for Civil 3D, released this year exclusively to Civil 3D in the AEC Collection, helps civil engineers automate the laborious process of establishing an optimized terrain grading plan in ways that help save time, accelerate stakeholder buy-in, and reduce material costs and waste. For the Revit 2022 release, we took inspiration from you, our customers. We listened to feedback from architects and engineers about the need to make Revit a more productive tool. And we are excited that Revit 2022 delivers dozens of new features, representing over 8,000 votes on Revit ideas. Revit 2022 is more open and interoperable, and it allows for more efficient production of design deliverables. It includes enhanced generative design capabilities available exclusively in the AEC Collection, helping architects rapidly explore solutions for the design challenges that matter. The collection also includes AutoCAD 2022, which makes you even more productive with time-saving automations, seamless connections between platforms and storage providers like Docs, and the ability to work in the office, at the job site, and everywhere in between with the AutoCAD web and mobile apps. What I love about the collection is that it isn't just for larger multidisciplinary firms. Customers from smaller firms tell me that they've been able to expand their offerings and grow their businesses with access to the integrated design workflows in the collection. We're excited to see how you'll take advantage of the collection to deliver more innovative and resilient built environments for all.